All right, GC fans, this is AJ, and I'm talking to you today about the Galaxy Z Flip. We gotta say Z in Canada because we don't say Z. Anyway, here it is, the device. It's the folding phone. I know you all know all about it, but I want to talk to you about the things that I've come to enjoy. I've had the phone for about 3 days so far. What do I love about it? Well, first of all, the fact that this thing actually folds. That is so freaking cool. And I gotta tell you, everywhere I bring this, it wows people. I mean, are we ready for folding phones? We're ready because people think it's cool and everybody wants one as soon as they see it. Then I tell them it's gonna break and how much it costs and they say, no, I won't get one now. But this screen is made out of glass. That's a big claim to fame. How do you make glass bend? How do you make glass bend? You know how you do it? You make it razor thin. You make it as thin as a hair. What happens to glass when it's as thin as a hair? You can break it. It makes perfect sense. Anyway, Samsung figured it out. They put some plastic over top of the glass and that's what keeps it from breaking. So it's like a glass and plastic screen. But either way, I think it's freaking cool because it bends. It bends again. You can open it, close it, it bends. Okay, let's talk about a little bit more than that. This little tiny screen here on the front, you see that little guy? That's a screen that can give you some notifications. Like right now, it shows you what time it is. But if I take this little power button here and I double click it twice, now that's got a little viewfinder screen. You can see Steven back there. If I hit the volume rocker, I'll just do that right now. Boom, selfie. What does it do? Let's open it up and take a look. Oh man, that picture is terrible. Point is that, oh, there's my daughter right there. So you can actually see it. You can go full screen, but they built this little extra feature that I like because you can articulate and you can actually put the phone down and have it like balance in this little half folded format. It actually takes advantage in the software and can actually split the screen. And then it gives me some options down on the menu below of things that I can do with it, which I thought was really, really cool. So the whole thing is made out of glass. The front's made out of glass, the back's made out of glass. So right off the bat, it's got this premium feature. I've probably already mucked the entire thing up with fingerprints all over it. It just feels so beautiful in your hand. And that's what I like about it. It's got a little tiny viewfinder for taking selfies. It's got premium features built into it. It's got the Snapdragon processor. It's got a beautiful screen on it. It's got lots of RAM. It's got a fast processor. I mean, it's got everything, so it's a premium phone. It's an $1,800 price. I don't like that. But overall, Galaxy Z Flip for me, Galaxy Z Flip for me, thumbs up. I want to see the next one as they get better and better and better. Fold it. It's like a money clip. Fold it.